In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to the app you're building with AI using Lovable and ChatGPT. Let's get started right from your browser. First, head to Google. In the search bar, type the word Lovable, then look for the official Lovable site in the results and click through. This is an AI-powered app builder, and on the landing page or dashboard, you'll see a text box where you can describe the app you want to create. That description is your prompt, and the clearer it is, the better your first draft will be. Instead of writing that prompt from scratch, we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a strong one for us. Open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. In the message box, ask it to craft a prompt specifically for Lovable. For example, you might say, generate a detailed prompt for Lovable to build an AI-powered notebook app. To get an even better result, include a few details in your request, like the key features you want, your target users, the tone of the interface, and the platforms you care about. The goal is to give ChatGPT enough context so the prompt it returns is structured, actionable, and easy to paste. Now, submit your message to ChatGPT. Give it a moment to think, and wait until the response fully loads. You should see a ready-to-copy prompt that clearly describes the app's purpose, features, and any preferences you included. Before you copy, skim it to make sure it matches your intent and doesn't include any sensitive information. When it looks good, copy the entire prompt. Switch back to your Lovable tab. Click into the prompt box and paste the text you just copied. If anything pasted oddly, tidy up spacing so it's clean and readable. When you're ready, click Submit in Lovable to kick off the build. Now wait for the result. Depending on complexity, this can take a bit, so keep the tab open and avoid refreshing. You'll typically see progress indicators as Lovable generates your app's foundation, wiring up the basic pages, components, and AI features based on the prompt. Once the result is ready, you'll have a working starting point you can explore and refine. If parts of the app need tweaks, you can return to ChatGPT to adjust the wording of your prompt and try again, or make edits directly inside Lovable's tools. And that's it. You searched for Lovable, used ChatGPT to craft a clear prompt, pasted it into Lovable, submitted, and waited for your AI-built app to be generated. Follow these same steps for future ideas, and you'll iterate faster with better results every time.